Hi, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Let me. Do you want to take control?
No, just share your screen.
Okay.
Just a second.
No problem. And I apologize for making you wait. It's just they shot and killed our boss in New York this morning, so they had us go into emergency meeting.
Click on users under people options.
Okay.
People, click on people. Then click on invite people. Then paste the email I also sent you. Yeah, this one. Then click on next down below. Please again paste the email address. Then click on
This one, the temporary access.
no. Just click down below. Just for test purpose. Not here. Just please enter button. Click enter button.
Enter button. Okay.
Okay.
It goes away when I click enter.
Can you access your mouse?
It's a laptop.
Okay.
It goes away. So when I try to click one below, it just erases the email.
Okay. Okay.
If I click enter, it erases it as well.
If you want, I can share my screen and showing you. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. It's to be your screen. Then I'll share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Right now?
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay. Here you can see. First of all, I will go to business.facebook.com. Then users, and then click on people. Then invite people. After that, you can see now I copy my email address and paste it here. Then click here one time. Here. Also, you can see this is my email address. That's why it's showing. Then, for example, abc at the rate gmail.com. Then click on here one time. Then click on next. I hope you understand. Just
Yes.
paste the email and then click on here one time.
That's what I'm doing, but it keeps erasing it. Let me try to do it on the computer. On the other computer. I don't know why it keeps erasing it. Okay. No, it's still erasing it. I'm booting up the other computer. After I do that, is there an extra step or something? Hello?
Yeah. Hello.
After I press next, is there an extra step?
I please share your screen. Then I can help you.
Okay, yeah, because I'm still trying to, but it keeps deleting it. So I'm gonna do it on the other computer, but this one is still booting up.
Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Okay. I'm pressing everywhere and it's still deletes it for some reason. Let me go ahead and try on the other computer.
Click on laptop keyboard, press right side. I don't know
Where on
why.
the keyboard?
We can work on TeamViewer. You can send me your TeamViewer code.
Yes, I'm sending it right now. I pasted it on the chat. Did you get the code?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, great.
Hey, wait a minute, please.
Yes?
Wait a minute. The session code is I'm showing expired. Please send me again.
Okay. It says that, okay, here it is.
Okay.
It's updating itself. It keeps, let me see if, okay, now it gave me the meeting ID.
Okay.